Hey everyone, today we're diving into an out of sight, out of mind issue that many owners may not think about, but we encounter quite often: airbox foam deterioration on Cannonball's McLaren 101. The airbox on a McLaren serves a critical purpose, ensuring clean airflow to the engine while helping to reduce intake noise. Inside, you'll find a layer of foam designed to act as an acoustic damper, but over time this foam can start to break down. Why does this happen? Let's dig into the science. The foam is typically made of polyurethane, which is great for absorbing intake sound. However, it's also susceptible to degradation due to heat, humidity, and exposure to hydrocarbons. Under the high heat and pressure of an engine bay, the foam can oxidize and lose its structural integrity. This process is accelerated by oil and fuel vapors that can seep into the airbox over time, especially during extended sessions of spirited driving. As the foam breaks down, it turns into a sticky, crumbly mess. This debris can end up clogging the intake filter, or the pieces, if they're small enough, can enter in the engine. Definitely not something you want happening. So what's the fix? A diligent, regular inspection. If you notice any signs of deterioration, it's crucial to either replace the foam or, better yet, just remove it altogether. Replacing or removing the foam isn't just about keeping your engine clean. It's about preserving the performance and longevity. And trust me, every McLaren deserves that extra care. If you've got questions about your airboxes or anything else about the maintenance of your McLaren, contact Cannonball today.